Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asif Ali. I'm a student of Al Jamiatul Ashrafiyya Mubarakpur. In the another font, I'm pursuing my bachelor from BA from Shibli National College. Right now, I'm at the Shibli National College because of I had the midterm, so that's why I got up early morning and then I arrived at the college, Shibli National College, 6 a.m. After took exam and in midterm, and right now I stand in the corridor of the Shibli National College. Can you see the scenario? It was established by the great scholar Honorable Shibli Nomani. After that, he made great progress in every field, education, and can you see this scenario right now? And I think it our first meeting on the social media and the English language especially. Inshallah ta'ala, I will continue in the English language, our vlog, and Arabic language as well. Thank you for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.